Hey, this is Dan with Swift Welding. Today I'm going to show you what might be the coolest tool I've got in my shop right now. This is the Magswitch MagDrill Disruptor 30, and this thing is freaking awesome. I can't believe I've got it here. Thank you so much to Magswitch for sending this out for me to do a review on. Where to start? It's got a lot of cool features. I think the number one thing is what really sets it apart from all the other mag drills I've used. But this thing has not just your normal standard big chunky base that's just a big square. You got two bases here that swivel, and what that allows you to do is you can put it right on a piece of pipe, anything over 3 inches in diameter, and it'll hug that piece of pipe perfectly. Totally safe to use on anything like that. You can even go, like say you're doing some really big piece of pipe and you're on the inside of it working, you could hug the walls on the inside of that pipe and drill right through, no problem. Takes your standard annular cutter bits like any other mag drill. You can use up to 1 3/16 inch in diameter bit. It can drill 2 inches deep. It uses Magswitch's awesome rotating magnet technology that no one else is using. There's no electromagnets here. You can turn this thing on, the magnets. They're individually controlled magnets, by the way, so if you need to, say something gets stuck in there, whatever, after you drill your hole, you've got this one locked down. You free this one up, you can lift this up, you know, clean it off, check it out, make sure nothing's wrong, clean your bit, do whatever you got to do, set it back down, and lock it down. And because it's not an electromagnet, you might notice I've got the cord sitting here on the table beside me, right? Not plugged in. This thing is locked in. I can't. The website says it holds up to like 1,169 pounds of pressure. Let's see if I can move it at all. Now my table's on wheels right now, so not the sturdiest table in the world right now. But all right, I'm literally hanging on the side of my table. It's a strong mag. Man. So what that means is, say you've got this thing on a job site, you got it hanging above your head on an I-beam, drilling some holes, and somebody comes along, trips over your extension cord. You know, this thing's not going to fall on your head and kill you. Any other mag drill, better hope you got your safety chain. You don't want those things falling on you, that's for sure. It'll stick to materials 1/8 of an inch thick on up to whatever you can imagine. Which means this thing will literally get you through thick and thin, right? Yesterday I used it to drill about, 33 holes in my table here. So now I can use this style of clamp right in the center of my table and make things a lot easier.